But what is the fundamental problem for this? If that problem is not solved, then this 7 also may not be available after 2 or 3 generations. So we thought, let us preserve at least the 7 first step, then make a serious search for some more branches. By God's grace or by chance, we may get 1 or 2. So with this actually we started making a huge effort. By God's grace, actually in 1992, there was a All India seminar at Tirumala by the TTD organization. About 1200 Pandits were invited, sir, from all the states of country. That is the other way, the total number of Pandits available in this country by 1919 was 1200. Whereas the population is about, say, more than 90 crores or 95 crores. It doesn't stand for percentages. So then actually before commencement of the seminar, the executive officer, Sri M.V.S. Prasad Garu, he asked, can we say something related to the sciences in Vedas? For that purpose, he invited me to deliver a small lecture in the seminar. Then I said, sir, a demonstration program will be more appealing than the lectures. He permitted me, so I developed a small model of Vedic database with 3 mantras only, and along with the commentary for these 3 mantras written in Sanskrit itself. We could bring it to the computer system using the C language. The letters, the mantras are Asavyo Vasarpati Nilagrivo Vilohitaha, 1 line. Within Namakam, what we call it, is part of our Rudrabhisheka. 1 more mantra, Namah Shivaya Cha Shivataraya Cha, that is 2nd line. Om Drape Amdhasaspate Daridranela Lohita. These are different lines in different paras actually of this Namakadhyaya. And the commentary is also written by Sayana Acharya, that also we brought into the computer system using C language. So we mixed up Sanskrit with the computers so that it can be displayed. By the time the voice has not come into the computer systems, multimedia voice has not come. Then I prepared with some graphics also we attached, and we made a demonstration at Tirupati. Fortunately, Dr. Shankardayal Sharma ji, he was the Vice President of India at that time. He was the chief guest. This attracted his attention. Originally, the time given for the entire program is only 2 minutes for me, but he spent about 50 minutes, sir. He was going on asking questions related. I am not permitted to demonstrate immediately. I have to answer all his questions and queries. And only when he asks me to demonstrate, then only I have to demonstrate. I myself immediately I cannot start it. There is a protocol is there. So he was going on asking various questions. What is the database? What is a file, like that? Finally, yes, now you start. Then I immediately pressed, I kept the file name as A for the Asoyo Vasarpati mantra. I pressed A, immediately the mantra has appeared on the computer screen. Then he asked, can I find the meaning of it, which I had expected. The Sanskrit Bhashya part also we displayed. He studied every syllable he has studied. Previously it seems he could not get it, and he was extremely happy. Then he said, now can I operate it? Sir, you press N, which is given as the file name for Namah Shivaya mantra. There is some incident has happened. He put his finger on N, he did not remove it. So what happens, computer generates multiple N's. N like that. Actually the computer doesn't belong to me, I borrowed from somebody else. I was afraid. If there were a file with 4 N's, that file will come now. It's a dangerous thing. By God's grace, immediately messages, file not found. So the 4 N's file was not there. Then I took his hand and then pressed with his finger, N, and then immediately Namah Shivaya mantra got displayed. For that also he wanted the meaning, Bhashya part, that also he said. He was extremely happy, sir. Then actually he said one thing, I don't know how seriously you have taken. Hereafter you take it seriously. And I am giving an assignment also, develop Anukramanikas for Vedas. Anukramanikas means indexing systems. And inform me whenever you complete it. I say God's grace actually has flowed through his mouth, I always feel. That was my turning point, sir, in my whole life for taking up all these things. I always say in my village, our Panchayat board member will never look at us. He never greet us when we go to our native place. But whereas President of India, actually, or Vice President of India, he spent about 45 to 50 minutes time on a subject which is interesting and which is necessary for the country. And he has given the guidance also, given an assignment also which is essential to be done. Then I took it seriously. I have a group of friends also, like Sri Kallur Bhogeshwar Swami garu. With his help, we got a computer actually. Several people donated, several people helped us, particularly Ashwini Subbarao actually. I explained, he asked me, myself and Swami garu, we went to his house. Swami garu introduced. Avadhan garu wants to say something, Subbarao, about his project. Okay, sir, we will go to terrace and then we will have a discussion. He asked me to explain for about 1 hour. I explained what I am planning to do. If ultimately, I did not understand what you are saying. In one word, I did not understand. What do you want? Sir, I want 1 lakh rupees. Take it. So easily has just given, promised. Why what will you do with 1 lakh? Sir, I will purchase one computer.